So today's video is brought to you by my very own coffee, Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. It's available in a K-Cup, whole bean, and pre-ground 16-ounce bag. You can find it at justadadcoffee.com, or right underneath the video, you will see the products displayed and you can click on them and purchase them right there. Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Bissell SpingWave Plus Vac. Here I've got some mess. I got some chocolate to kind of simulate dirt. We got some crumbs on the floor. It has a vacuum and a spin mop built into it. Now it is cordless. You're going to turn it on. That's the vacuum you can turn on and off, and that's the water. Here's where we put the solution in water. Lift this up here. You're going to take this over to your sink, fill that up with water and solution. There's a line right there, and then put it back on. The dry debris is going to get sucked up into this little chamber right here. You're going to take this off. You're going to empty out all the dry debris. If it does suck up some water or stuff, you do have to let this dry. And there is a filter that if that filter gets wet, you got to let dry. Simply just hook it like on that little hook there and push it, and it snaps back into place. Now the way this operates, this is the vacuum part here. These are just held on with Velcro. You can put these in the washing machine. Solution is going to come out the center hole on both sides, and these spin. So let's see how it does. Okay, so we're going to suck up the dry debris. Again, I've got some chocolate syrup that looks like a stain. We're going to see how well it does on stains. This is not meant for if you have a really big, like a big thing of milk. It's not going to suck up the entire thing of milk. Okay, I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to push the solution button. I can turn the vacuum on and off. Kick it over. It's really maneuverable. It really glides on the floor really easy. I can get in right underneath the cabinets. It rolls really easy. Now I can just mop my whole house. It gets right up to the corners. This is even a small rug I could go over. Okay, so it does leave the surface a little wet, but it does dry relatively quick. I have found that the solution that I'm able to add, I'm able to clean a really big kitchen and all of my bathrooms. So again, there's the dry debris. I would take that over, empty out the dry debris, and then put that back. And then the best part, when you're done, you take these off, you can put these in the washing machine. So it's very lightweight, very maneuverable. You do plug in the charger right back here. So you do have to have a wall charger to plug it in. It is cordless. And again, very easy to operate. Shows you the battery percentage. The solution lasts a long time. It's very maneuverable. It just glides across the floor. It hardly feels like you're pulling or pushing anything. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching. So thanks everybody for watching my video today. Underneath the video, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that really helps out my YouTube channel. Again, you can purchase all this coffee right below the video. You'll see links to them, or go to justadadcoffee.com. I really do appreciate everybody's support. Recently, YouTube just sent me my 100,000 subscriber plaque. That would not be possible without everybody's support. So again, I really appreciate it. I'm excited for this new adventure, branding my own coffee. It tastes really good, and I hope you're going to definitely like it. Again, hoping somebody asks you what your favorite cup of coffee is. It's Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. And again, thanks so much for watching the YouTube channel. Also, be sure and check out my Just a Dad Videos group page on Facebook. This is where I do my free giveaways. So when I'm done with my products, I do a free giveaway on there, and you can kind of see behind the scenes of how I make my videos. Also, check out my podcast, Coffee with Dad Podcast. This is where I interview different people. I love to hear everybody's story, and I just think everybody has a story they want to tell. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and thanks so much. Miss Fiona always knows when I'm doing a recording.